Hello guys, hello dear viewers all around the world, wherever you're watching this video from. Today now I want to show you guys how to import hair from Vietnam. As you all know, Vietnam is part of the country where you can import hair from, quality hair from. So I want you guys to watch this video to the end. And before we go, if you are very new to this YouTube channel, you just see subscribe button below here. Just click on this subscribe button, and beside you will see a bell. I want you to click this bell and select all. This means you'll be notified anytime or every time I'm uploading this my YouTube channel. Then give me a like on this video, leave your comments. Let's know what you feel about this video, and share this to your loved ones, right? And if you want to connect with me for one thing or the other, for inquiry, just check the description to this video. You will see my personal WhatsApp link there where you can connect with me for inquiry. Alright, so let's go. Alright, the first thing to do if you want to enjoy hair importation from Vietnam is to come to Facebook. I have many means, but one of the means is to come to Facebook, then come to search here, click on this searching. When you click on searching, the next thing to do is to tap on this search bar here. Tap on this place here. When you tap on it, make sure you are using the Google keyboard. As you can see, this is Google keyboard. The one I'm using here is Google keyboard. So this is Google keyboard. Let me use this one to display. This is Google keyboard. So what you will do is to click on this three dotted this three parallel line here, this dotted parallel line here. Just click on this, then you will see translate here. Just click on this translate. Now when you click on translate, here you may not see here right side as Vietnam. You may see something else, so make sure you just click on this drop down menu, then go and look for Vietnam and select Vietnam out of all. So this is Vietnam. Then this left side is let it be dictate language. Make this default as a dictate language here, right? So here now I'm to type here a keyword that we use to filter out the suppliers from Vietnam regarding hair importation. So here what I would type here is let me say, okay, quality, this quality here. Now as I'm typing this, is the thing is being translated here in the search bar here. So what I will do now is to search on this bar here. You can see, look at this now. I will click on this one now. Out of all, I have many suggestions here. This one also suggests another thing here, another thing. But what I will do is to click on this first one, which I typed, this first one now. So I'll click on this first one here now. Now when click, the next thing to do is either you go for the pages here, but let me start from here now. Let's go for the group. You click on groups. When you click on groups, now you see different groups here. What you do is to start joining those groups. It's just like you are in Vietnam here now, so you start joining those groups. So I will start from this first one. I'm not joining the group. I just want to use this as a sample for you now. What you will do is just the first thing. Let me translate to see this first. Please join the group to exchange and share techniques about the hair industry. Alright, so here now.
Chào các bạn, hôm nay mình sẽ chia sẻ cho các bạn cách cắt đầu layer nhé. Dán layer.
The group. What you would do, okay, great. What you would do now is to click on translate here. Click on this translation. Click on this their translation. So Facebook also has translation. Now click on the translation. 5 boxes of calling with ANH Dairo flowers 3 in 1. No need to measure the extension, no need to heat, pleasant smell, 1 hour with 1 press hair, save time, smooth skin, get the whatever. Okay, I think this advert is different. Now what we need is here, not something else. So we are going to look for, okay, 200 boxes left for Tony Connie here. Got the sign of such looking. So what we want to look for is now is to see if there's any advert for here. If there's any advert for here now. Okay, I think we are seeing something. Okay, I think we have seen the sample now. So now to cut all this stress, to cut it short, what we have to do now is to come here. After joining the group, you have to message here. So okay, now you have to create a post here. Click on the create a post. So now click on this create a post, create a post, and on your post now you state it there that you need anyone in here that into here to connect with you here now, that you need a reliable here supplier. Okay, just put it there that you need a reliable here supplier. Anyone into here should direct message you, then put link to your WhatsApp here, direct link to your WhatsApp so that anybody that click on that link will be able to connect with you on WhatsApp straight up. So you just put it there that anyone interested in this deal should message you on WhatsApp. Just put the link there. Trust me, you will see a lot of message from different people. Now, from comfortably now, you be the one and to be selecting like this one is okay for me, this one. Any screening you want to do, you can easily do the screening. So far you have put the post here. From the post here now, this will attract many manufacturers, many suppliers, and even many scammers. Yes, if they have scammer there, scammer also will utilize the opportunity to get in touch with you that okay, so I got a post that you want a supplier, what's it, supplier of this, now I think that's another story now. So let's leave it for here let's leave it here for now. So here now you can use this method to get many dealers, many suppliers, many wholesale suppliers of here business. You can get in touch with them from here. Another method here is you can check another group, go through those groups. You should see some people that have here and they are running adverts here that they need a buyer, something like that. You can get in touch with them. Another method is to get in touch with the admin of the group. Get in touch with the admin of this group. So you can see all people can see the admin now. Okay, admin and moderator now. You can send friend request to admin and moderator and message them based on what you want. If they are not into this deal, is either they refer you to someone or they try to sell this. If they are into this for it, try to sell or partner with you in this deal. I think that is another method. Then what you can still do from here is to go to pages. Here now, you want to scroll around here to look for pages. Come here and look. Okay, click on these pages now. So from pages now, you can look for pages that have a lot of followers or things like that. Then get in touch with the person, the page owner. Get in touch with the page owner. The another method is when you click like that, let's go to all, select all. Then from all you can be scrolling. If possible, you can see advert, Facebook advert of such. I think there's no anything like a Facebook advert here. Let me check post also. Post for quality here. So maybe the keyword I put is not okay enough, but you can still put here. Okay, like this. Let me search again, translate here wholesale. All right, then search again. Here wholesale. Then let me go to groups. So you can start joining those groups to see anyone that's still accurate. I think this is one out of many ways you can use to connect with them. Now let me show you another method now. This is Alibaba app I'm using. So what you will do is to come here and search for here. So if possible, you can do picture search. There's picture search there. This picture search feature, you can click it to upload it here. That's to do picture search. But this time I just want to type here and let me put here, or let's say here extensions. Let me just put here, then search. Now when search, the next thing to do now is to come here and click on refine. When click on refine, the next is to come to location. Location here is all. So now we want to filter it out. Click on location, then go and look for Vietnam. Okay, you see Vietnam here down, so I'll click on Vietnam. So this will filter out suppliers from Vietnam only. All right, so I'll click on done now. So look at this, it will change now. All are from Vietnam. All from Vietnam. I said this first one is from China. I think this is a sponsor store. Now all other from Vietnam. I just send it here now. So I click one of it now. All selling super double drum bone straight human hair bundles, virgin Vietnamese hair straight, virgin cortical align hair. So you can see now this is a supplier from Vietnam. What you would do if you click on any of one of this one is either you click here now to chat with this person. When you chat with this person now, you can ask this person, you can ask for their WhatsApp number here. Here you can ask for their WhatsApp number if they are in WhatsApp. So you can chat with this person and ask for their WhatsApp number from here. Then you can able to continue discussion from there. Then so you can see now very easy from here now. Look at many suppliers from Vietnam. So if you want to do any business deal, you can have their contact straight up from here. You can see now. Then making payments, I think that would be the last thing to discuss about. Let me show you another method of getting suppliers from Vietnam. When you come to Instagram, this is my Instagram account. So you come here and click on search. When search, then click on this again. Click on this search again. The next thing to click now is let's say okay, now click on this. Don't let us forget. Yeah, we want to use Google keyboard now, Gboard. So click on this now. When click, then click on translate. Click on translate. Now when click on translate, we are to just crack a very good keyword. So let me say from here now I will type, do not forget this is Vietnam, I heard, and this is the third language. So from here now I will type here extensions. Great, I have many. So let me click on this first one first. Here extension, human here Vietnam, correct. So you see now, so Vena here. So from this you can connect with this person now, and anything you want to ask, you can start from there. Business relationship. Let me search this second one. This one have 154 followers. Then let me still look for another one. These are people that they are from Vietnam and they deal with hair business. So you can continue looking for them and try to I would advise you to have a deal with one that have a lot of followers. So alright, this is 750 followers. Wow. And this one also try out of the one we have been seeing since. So you can take your time to search through. Now what you do, and before I run this up, how will you be payment for it? I've shown you how to get some of these suppliers from supplier of hair from Vietnam. Now how will you make payment? How will you secure your payment or your transaction with these people? Now what you would do, I will give you the free knowledge on this. What you would do is that try to convince them to open store on, if possible, on Alibaba. Now to open store on Alibaba, and they should give you the link to their store there. Then you are bargaining about what you want to buy or something like that. Then they will give you a link to their store where you can buy directly, make payment there. That is one out of all methods. Or you pay directly through a payment gateway. Ask this person to open an account with some of these available payment gateway they have. They give you the link, then you make payment with your local bank card. That is another method. Another method is for you to pay through the Western Union money transfer. If you are from Nigeria here now, you can pay through Western Union money transfer, and that is still another method. Then the safest now for newbie into this business is to use agents. So if you want to use agents are people that are from Nigeria here or anywhere you are in the country, anywhere watching this video. Agents that can help you locally, agents that understand you locally, that will help you to make payment. Even it may not be from these suppliers. They know the right place that they can help you to go and buy what you want. They will go there, maybe from company, directly from the shop or wherever. They will help you to get this at a very cheaper rate. So for you to get this agent, is you can get in touch with me, connect with me, check description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. You can get this agent, but it's not free. You have to enroll for my course, then you have access to this now. If you're my student, many potential students, you have access to this freely. Agents, reliable agents that you can get in touch with, they will help you buy this and import it to your country with ease of mind, with ease. No problem at all. They will secure your business relationship, your transaction, everything will be secured without taking any risk. And if you don't want to do that, I'll give you free knowledge that what you can do, how you can do it in order to make payment online. So after making payment, after talking about the free knowledge, after making payment, now you will instruct them to help you send this through logistic, and I have video on that, on the how you can get free logistic from any country. And just check anywhere around this screen, you will see a link. Just check, you see a link, or check description to this video, you see a link to that video. Go and watch it on how to get free logistic or shipping company from any country. So before we go, please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, you are just getting to know this channel, what I want you to do now is to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking here and click on this bell, turn it on. You see all, select all, so that you'll be notified anytime I drop video on this channel. And one more thing, give me a like on this video and leave your comment. Let me know what you feel about this video. Then please check description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp groups. I have a lot of WhatsApp groups. Then to follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. I love you guys. Bye for now.